From the top to the number 3 feed point, we have a quarter wave. And you know that the total length of the side is a third. So that means that a quarter is 3/12, and you know it's the same denominator. And sorry, and the total third will be 4/12. So, if I don't make a mistake, this is the quarter of the full length. No, I'm right. So, as this is the quarter of the full length, you have to see how many segments are on your you go on the geometry, okay, and I don't know if you can say, oh yeah, there are too many segments. That's not how you use.
Non, c'est pas, pour moi, c'est pas tellement.
What we can do in this case.
You have many segments.
No, so yes, because you just have to say how many from the center, but I'm afraid it's, as we don't know the number of segments, it will not be possible. So we have to put two, I'm afraid we have to put two segments.
Make a fourth
or
wire.
to try graphically, you know, perhaps we can do something like 20.
That's on the 20th segment, right?
No, that's at random. I make I'm not so bad.
No, but Gilles, W1C20, that means the center of the 20th segment?
How do you know how many segments there are?
No, but you put the number 20.
Yes, because it was my
but
my feeling.
Ça veut dire quoi ça? Le 20e segment?
Yes, from
Okay.
the center.
From the center
from
or from
the
the
center.
beginning of the wire?
You know what I will do? I will take a rule.
And measure it on the
Yes,
screen.
no, because
You gotta
I don't want you
put a
to.
symbol for the
No,
segment
I-
of the
But it could be
viewpoint.
center from the end of the wire.
Anyway,
You
put a
specify
formula.
Of
wire
course,
one,
I think the
and
result
segment
is
number,
When you say
and the position on the
when you say center of the wire, from the center?
well, you can also, if you want it
From
on
the
the center, you
center?
can put
So
the number of
it's
segments
like
divided by
plus,
2 plus 1.
Plus one minus one.
Sometimes the segment count will vary, so if you want the feed point to always be in the middle, you just put a
offset
formula.
from the
Yes.
center.
You have to have a different formula.
It's
So
a
the odd
little-
number of
I
segments.
need
or
a
the
little
number of
more.
segments.
The convention
Plus
is always
20,
an odd number
you
of
know.
segments.
Okay.
You want to be able
Plus
to
or
read it from the
minus.
center.
Yes.
Understand, good.
And 9 and 10 sticks even.
24 will be good.
From the center of this.
C'est peut-être
Because
moins
you
qu'un
can
number.
now, if you